Okay.
Okay, so today's lecture is cube rooting by glancing. First of all, let us understand what is cube rooting. As in the previous class, we studied about square rooting. In the similar way, if a is multiplied 3 times, you get a cube. So if I say the cube root written as this is read as cube root of a cube.
So what if we cube root is like let's take an example of 9. So when we multiply 9, we get 81. When we do 81 times 9, we will get
729. So the cube root of 729 is 9.
Okay.
This is read as cube root of a cube.
I don't get it.
Okay, I will tell you. This is read as cube root of a. Cube root of a. Right? So if I say, what is 1 cube?
1 cube is 1.
1. So, and what is 2 cube?
6.
No. 2 times 2, 8.
8 cube.
8. So, what is the cube root of 8?
2.
Yeah, the other way around, the cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of 1 is
1.
1. Fine. Now 3 cube. 3 cube is
27.
Yes. So what is the cube root of 27?
3.
Very
Oh, I get it.
very nice. Okay, what is 4 cube?
24.
Oh, no, it's
64.
64. You people are not revising your techniques.
I am.
64 cube root of 64 is
4.
4. So 5 cube is
125. 125.
right. Right.
Yeah.
Cube root of 125 is
5. 5.
5.
Oopsies.
6 cube
6. 216.
So cube root of 216 is
6.
right. Now 7 cube is
43.
343. Good.
I didn't even get
Cube, what is the cube root of 343?
7.
7. Right. 8 cube
It's 513.
it's 512.
512.
Yeah. So
512.
Yeah.
Sir, I got a writing error. I wrote 152 and I was like, what? It's not 152.
okay, 9 cube
9 cube. 749. 721.
9 cube is 7 to 9.
729.
9 cube is
7 to 9.
9.
7 to 9 root
Cube root of 7 to 9
is 9.
is 9.
Sir, can you just write on the chalk? I don't understand anything on this screen.
Why you can't understand anything on the screen?
This one is better. We can see even clear.
Yes, everything is very clear.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay, now I can see it.
fine. Just note down this cubes
Okay.
and repeat it 3-4 times. Then I'm going to ask you.
I kind of remember
Yeah,
from
at
the
random. Yes, at random.
I kind of remember from the last time.
Yes. For example, I will say cube of 5 is, so you must be able to write 25.
125.
Cube of 6.
Oh, I already wrote it down.
Yeah,
Am
okay.
I?
So you have wrote it down. Now just repeat it few times.
Okay,
Then I will
no,
ask.
I haven't wrote it down yet. 2.
Those who have not written, they can write, and others, please go through it several times. Again, 3 cube,
27.
27.
5 cube,
125.
125.
8 cube,
5 and 2, 5.
4 cube,
64.
7 cube,
7.
7 cube.
343.
Okay, 9 cube,
7 to 9.
8 cube,
5.
6 cube.
216.
Very nice. So all of you gave the right answer. This is good. Now we will play a very simple game.
I like
Yay!
it.
Game.
You have a calculator with you.
No.
Yes.
If you can arrange it quickly, then please arrange.
I can go get one.
Oh, see you later. Yeah, I have it ready on my screen.
Okay, you already have on your screen. Okay, what you have to do is, yes, what you have to do is, you have to multiply a 2-digit number 3 times. For example, if I say you are taking 22, then multiply 22 into 22 into 22 on your calculator quickly and tell me the result. You just have to tell the result. You can take any 2-digit number.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not ready.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay. You have to multiply any number by itself, any 2-digit number by itself 3 times.
I got it. I got my answer.
Yeah, tell me
The
the answer.
answer is 110592.
110, one at a time, 110592.
2.
And so your number was 48.
Yeah, how did you know?
Yeah. Okay. Next, I will teach you also. First yeah.
My number is 941192.
Please repeat once again.
941192.
941192. Your number was 98.
I got one too.
Okay. Next number.
I know. Can I say one?
Let Nandini speak. Let Nandini speak.
2,
Yeah,
3,
Nandini.
4. 2, 3,
Please.
4.
No, you have to tell me the cube.
What? What? What?
Nandini, I can't understand what you are saying. If you wish, you can give your answer in chat box. I will put it from there.
Sir, can I tell you my number?
Yeah, Nevan, tell me.
274625.
274625. Your answer is 65.
Yeah. How? How is this happening?
Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you very soon.
Can you? What is 99's cube?
No, I'm telling you. Tell me the cube, and I will tell you the cube root. Don't.
Okay. Cube is 970229.
970299.
299.
This is 99.
How?
Yes, next.
He's like, oh, let's go next. Oh, okay, let's go next.
Kapil sir, I put my answer in chat.
Yeah, your 2, 3, 4. It can't be the cube. It can't be the perfect cube, Nandini. Just do it again. You multiply 2-digit number by
My number, sir, my number is 474552.
474552. Your answer is 72.
78.
78, sorry, 78.
636056.
I can't believe this teacher actually got my answer wrong.
Please tell Arpita what you were saying.
636056.
6056. So your answer is 86.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Okay,
Yeah.
anyone else?
No, there's nothing that can beat you.
Okay, okay, then. Yeah, Nivan, go ahead.
753571.
753571. It's 91.
Yes.
Okay, now let us understand the technique. I think you all must be waiting eagerly to know the technique.
Definitely.
Okay. Let's come back this side. Focus on board. Please focus on board. Here
Okay.
we see the cube of 1 is ending in 1. Now 2 is ending in 8. 3 is ending in 7. Then 4 is ending in 4. 4 is ending in 4. 5 is ending in 5. 6 is ending in 6. And 9 is ending in 9. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, look here. This 8 is ending with its best friend 2. And 8 is ending with best friend 2. And 2 is ending with best friend 8.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in the similar way, 7 is ending in 3 and 3 is ending in 7. Right?
Yes.
So this will help us in knowing the cube root. Now come to the number. The method is very simple. Divide the number in 2 parts. First step is divide the cube in 2 parts. Such that RHS always have RHS 3 digits. Okay, like if I have to divide this number, I will divide it into 2 parts like this. This number like this. RHS will always have how many digits?
3.
Digits. First step is clear?
Yes.
Very nice. Now second step is by looking at the units digit of cube find units digit of cube root. Of cube root. How? If anyone asks how, so you can answer 1 ends in 1, then 4 ends in 4, 5 ends in 5, 6 ends in 6, and 9 ends in 9. 2 ends in 8 and 8 ends in 2. Similarly, 3 ends in 7 and 7 ends in 3. Okay, now let us understand this step. When I saw 2 here, I came to the conclusion that cube root must end in 8. Here I got 5 at units place. So the cube root must also end in
5.
5.
here I got 9. So the cube root must end in
9.
9.
here I got 1. So the cube root must end in
1.
1. So this step is also clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now the last step to find the tens digit. Pay attention. This is very, very important.
Okay.
Okay. So what you have to see, check what is the perfect cube. What is the perfect cube just smaller than LHS, just smaller than LHS, and write its cube root.
I don't get it.
I will explain and write its cube root. Say for example, let's come back to our original questions. This is 110.
Yes.
Cube smaller than 110 is
64.
64. And the cube root of 64 is
4.
4.
I
I
got
get it now.
very nice. Okay.
Okay. I'm excited.
Okay. So 941. The cube root just smaller than 941 is
8. 9.
9. 729 and cube root of 729 is
9.
274. The perfect cube smaller than 274 is
216.
and the cube root of 216 is
6.
so the perfect cube just smaller than 970 is
729.
and its cube root is 9. Similarly, the perfect cube just smaller than 474 is
343.
and its cube root is 7. Next, 636. The perfect cube smaller than 636 is 512.
512.
It is 8.
8.
The perfect cube smaller than 753 is 729. And root is 9.
Cube root.
Got it?
Yeah.
Ready to do the questions yourself?
Yes.
Can we write the one step, second step, and third step? Then can we do that?
Yeah, sure. Just write it down. Ready?
Yes.
Wait, how many questions?
I am also ready. Now, please keep your books aside.
Okay.
Please keep your books and pen aside. We will be doing the questions mentally.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Let's get started.
Yes.
Kapil sir, I have a question. I
Yeah.
have a question.
But sir, if we have any problem, can we just look at the book if we didn't get a time to memorize?
Okay.
Kapil sir,
So I
question.
will.
What is the first digit is not equal? It's
First,
not like 9,
first
8.
I will be giving you digits. You have to tell me the cube root, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And
That
do it
game.
in the chat privately too.
Yes. You tell me the cube root of this number, and please send your answer privately to me.
Number? Okay. Oh wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready, please.
I want answer privately in my chat.
I typed it.
Nivan, try again. Try again.
Who's this guy?
Anvita, your answer is correct.
Is mine correct?
Anvita, your answer is correct. Arjun, try again. Nivan, try again.
What?
I
How?
think, I think I need to explain this once again. I don't know why
What do you?
are getting wrong answer. Okay,
Sir, I did everything right.
let's see. The RHS and LHS should be divided like this.
What?
Yes, RHS must always have 3 digits, right? So these are
Okay,
three
because I put it between 58 and 82.
No. It has to be 3 digits in RHS. Now look at this number. This is 2. So its cube root must end in 8, right?
Yes.
5. The perfect cube smaller than 5 is 1 and its cube root is 1. So answer is 8.
So RHS always has to have a 3-digit number on its side.
Why
Yes.
didn't you tell us that before?
I have written this as my first point. Go through it again.
Okay.
Sense.
Okay, second question.
Okay.
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 Oh, easy. Easy.
So
This has to be right. Or I'm gonna scream.
Anvita and Nivan, correct answer. Arjun,
Oh,
Kapil
yeah, beta.
I didn't understand the technique.
You didn't understand the technique. How many you understood? First step is divide it into 2 parts, right? This you know. And RHS must always have 3 digits. The second step is look at the units digit. It is 9. So its cube root will also be 9. This is our second technique. Oh, second step. And the third step is cube root just smaller than 59. So
Which is
just smaller than 59 is 27. Cube smaller than 59 is
27
27.
cube is 3.
And its cube root is
It's
3.
39.
So you
Answer
will
is
write 39. Now you got it?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, ready for next question.
You bet.
91125.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay.
Wait, I forgot to write the problem number. So we have.
Anvita, your answer is correct. Anvita, you got the technique right.
4.
Yeah, I got the technique.
Yes, very good.
Is mine?
Correct answer.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm trying to.
Nivan,
I'm trying to.
Nivan,
Sir, I'm trying to. Sir, I'm trying to be the fastest one, but I just can't.
Yes. Okay. So this is our RHS. It has 3 digit. Looking at 5, I will write 5 over here. 91. The perfect cube smaller than 91 is 64. And its cube is 4. So the correct answer is 45.
45. So that's how you did it, like Glenn. That's what it means.
Okay.
Rooting by Glenn.
Next number 74088.
Okay.
Mm,
So that was like, yeah.
Anvita, correct answer.
oh,
Arjun,
come
correct
on.
answer. Nivan, correct answer.
We are the fastest sometimes.
Anvita is doing very fast. Good.
How
Yeah.
is I doing this fast?
I can help you. You just when Kapil sir is writing the number, just do first take the 74.
Yes.
Immediately you have to get the answer. Then you can just. For the RHS, it's so easy. So then you.
RHS is really easy. In LHS, you have to just think of the number which is a perfect cube and smaller than 64.
Yeah.
Smaller than 74 and find it.
Next problem.
Is on the screen.
How did you go? Get 42.
Okay.
Come on. Couple, sir. How did you get 42? Answer.
This is 8. So the cube root will end in 2 and 74. So perfect cube smaller than 74 is 64 and its cube root is 4. So 42.
I'm ready. Next problem.
Yes.
Next problem.
So
I submit my answer, Kapil sir.
Anvita, your answer is correct. Nivan, your answer is correct.
Woo!
Typo. How come it's 8? It can't be 8. It has to be.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I got. This has to be 7.
37, sorry.
Next question.
Is mine correct, by the way? Okay, mine is correct.
Okay. Okay.
Don't make such noises.
Okay.
Oh!
Ivan, I will mute you permanently.
Okay.
There. I sent it.
Anvita, correct. Arjun, correct.
Kapil sir, at the end of the day, you always make all of us happy with the techniques.
That is.
So the technique is clear and the answer by all of you is correct. It's 73.
Yeah.
So I am stopping the recording. I need to talk to you. Please don't leave.